My mom's soy sauce and lemon salmon recipe was always on repeat growing up, and we always looked forward to it. It has tender, flaky salmon in a flavorful, savory, lemony sauce, and it's so delicious. Even now, my brother and I make it often for our families. And this is actually a recipe that I make when I really don't feel like cooking because it requires very minimal prep work and it uses simple, basic ingredients. All it is a little bit of salmon, some lemon juice, some butter, voila, oh, and soy sauce, and you have one of the best salmon recipes. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have some soy sauce. We are using regular soy sauce. If you're going to use reduced sodium, you might need to add more. And I am adding about a 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Really quickly, I forgot to show you guys. Oh gosh, I have to sneeze. I sneezed away from the salmon, so don't worry. Anyways, here I have 2 pounds of salmon fillet. I had to cut it because it wouldn't fit into my baking dish. But yes, we are measuring the ingredients for 2 pounds of salmon fillet. So you want to go ahead and add in the soy sauce. Actually, before I add in the soy sauce, I normally season it with some garlic powder and pepper. I'm a little off today. It's okay. We have those days. We just got over Thanksgiving break, so just trying to get back into the swing of things. So you want to go ahead and season it with some garlic powder. I don't measure at all, just sprinkle it over. And then you want to go ahead and add in some black pepper. All right, that looks good. And then to that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just go ahead and pour it over the salmon. So it's so easy. We're just putting and adding ingredients to a baking dish. After you add in the lemon juice and the soy sauce, you want to go ahead and just spoon it all over your salmon so that flavor just gets everywhere. The saltiness from the soy sauce and that bright citrusy flavor from the lemon combined with butter, I'm going to add some butter, is going to be so delicious. It makes a really yummy sauce to go over rice, and that's what we like to serve this up with. We like to serve this over rice. You know what? Like I said, I'm a little off today. I forgot the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So like I said, 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And there you go. And this is where my recipe is a little bit different from my mom's. I do add some butter because it is so delicious. Like I said, it makes this sauce that's really yummy over rice. So we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons. If you really want it buttery, you can add 5. And like I mentioned, this is a family favorite. My mom has been making this ever since I was little, and she still makes it often. And I make this for my family as well, which is funny because I went to go visit my brother a couple weeks ago and he was cooking dinner and I was like, what's in the oven? And he was making this exact recipe for his sons. So I promise you, it's going to be delicious. Anyways, my oven is preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna bake this. It depends on how thick your salmon is. We're gonna bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to check to see if it needs more time. If it does, we'll bake it a little bit longer. Then we'll hit it under the broiler to get it nice and browned, and then it is ready to serve. Meet me over at the oven. All right, so it did take 20 minutes to cook. I basted it and then I placed it under the broiler to get it nice and browned, and now it's ready to serve. And there you guys have it. This is my mom's famous soy sauce and lemon salmon recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. All right, you guys, it is time for the taste test. And like I mentioned earlier, we like to serve this salmon over some rice. If you guys want to get some rice cooking in your rice cooker, it makes such a delicious sauce to go over rice. And then also my go-to side dish is roasted broccoli. I went ahead and roasted some earlier. All it is broccoli florets seasoned with some salt and pepper, drizzled with olive oil. Then you're gonna bake it in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and it's one of my favorite side dishes. Anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and do the taste test. I'm just gonna go right into the baking dish here. Cheers. This is bursting with flavor. Seriously, all it is soy sauce and lemon juice and some butter. It is so delicious. There's a reason why this is a family favorite and we keep making it over and over. I did add 4 tablespoons, which is 1/4 cup of lemon juice, but it's quite lemony. I mean, I like it this way, but if you guys don't like it too lemony, go ahead and start off with about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and then add more if you want, but I do like it lemony. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make my mom's salmon recipe. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click on that like and subscribe button below. That will definitely help me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Time for lunch.